How to hide Telegram notifications on Android lock screen. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, go ahead and launch Settings application. Navigate to Apps. Tap on App Management. Now let all the application load. Tap search bar at top of the screen and type in Telegram. Tap to open its app info section and you will land on this app information where you can easily choose manage notification. First of all, you need to make sure that you toggle the button on for allow notification so that you can easily customize other notifications as well. And now you need to locate hide notification details on lock screen. And now toggle the button on for hide notifications details on lock screen. Once you have done that, you will successfully hide Telegram notifications on your Android lock screen. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.